Hey guys, I hope you're live. Perfect, perfect. So we're live on Twitch as well as YouTube. So as you can see, we have a different title today because we'll be solving, like it'll be a walkthrough of the box Breakout. So without any further ado, let's begin. Um, yeah. So as you can see, this is a fresh, completely fresh folder. Nothing here. Let's start with our nmap. Yeah, and the IP address now is okay. Numlock is off. Nothing as such, just breakout, and we'll start GoBuster as well. GoBuster with T is what we want. Yep, 100.6G. Yeah. By the time it runs, we can check out whether it does have an Apache page. Let's check the source. Okay, there is something extra here. Nice. Let's ask decode.fr what exactly is this. English please. Calculate about decode. Cipher identified. Yep. Let me just paste it again. Analyze. It says it's brain F. Just paste it again because sometimes it doesn't take the whole input. This seems to be the password of something. We need to find a user. And our map scan is complete. And we get manual in GoBuster, but this seems like a basic Apache page. So let's focus on other things. So according to nmap, we have a Samba server running on 139 and 445 and some more HTTP servers on 10,000 and 20,000. Let's check those out. So HTTP, sorry, 172.16, 1 2 3 4. Yep. Okay, so breakout.home.com is my home's DNS. That's why it's coming out like that. But is it not pointing to the right one? It is. Oh, there's another one. Let me just delete that from my DNS, DHCP. Try again, please. 172.16, 100.16, 20,000. Yes. Okay, let's just try it without the DNS. 16. Yep. I'll just put you can just put an IP address as well. 172.16, 100.16. Yeah. So we have the password. Sorry, let me just check if I have breakout here. Sorry. Sign in. Machines. Breakout. Okay, pwned. So I don't need to put in the flag. Yeah, don't need pub suite as well right now. So let's just copy this output. Can I not dark mode this? Okay, that's ugly. I'm sorry about this. Yeah, I have to check here. Let's check for root. Does it work? Let's check here as well. Root. It says lock and failed. Okay. Same here. You can no. Okay, yeah, we need it. Sorry about that. Okay, so we have assembly. We can run enum for Linux. What? Enum for Linux, not emun for Linux. Sorry. Minus A, it takes everything. 172.16.100.16, and let's add it to breakout dot enum for Linux. Okay. Yeah. While this runs, okay. Oh, it's running the big one. I'm sorry. You don't usually require the big one. It shouldn't that way. It's taking that long. Go Buster. Yeah, please. There's a medium actually. Medium. Yeah. So it's smaller and like for CTF purposes, that's enough. Yeah. So, okay, yeah. If you see here, we can log in as anonymous, and at the same time, we also get a user named Cyber here. So we can try that with the password. Cyber password is this. Let me just save it here as a Google search. Log. Okay. Cyber. We try here. It says login failed. We'll try here as well. Okay. So this one got us in. So this is like an admin page for users, I guess. You can do a lot of stuff. But if you see carefully, you get a console over here. So you can come here, ls, and that is the user flag. I won't show it here. Now let's do ls minus la. And here we can see that the tar is owned by root, but others can execute it as well. Okay, so this would be important in reading files that are owned by root but we can't access. So like we can use tar to execute. Let me just check something. GTFO bins. Can we use tar? Okay. Shell file read. Okay. It reads data from files it's used to do privileged reads. Okay, yeah, we can do that. We can use this. This is something I want to try. Okay. We don't need this. Sorry. Yeah, so inside we have the root user. Sorry, the basic user. Just check if they have. Okay, nothing here. Just the. Now, what else can we do? Okay, we can take a look at the read writer. Visiting user. Yep. The credentials work. We get a menu. Escalation. Tar, which is owned by root, also has permissions to be executed as root. Okay, on digging deeper, you can see that tar executable is allowed to read all files in the file system. I see. Also, yeah. Okay. So this is what happened. Like when I was looking, say you find this. Okay, so we want to be inside here and just ls my ls, that should be so small. Sorry, that's also not correct. ls okay, it's some issue with the minus L, and I'm just pasting that. Okay, so there's an old pass backup. So what we can do is, what is the file type? Sorry, file, it's a regular file, no read permission. Okay, so what we can do is, using tar, since get cap./tar, this means that we can read all the files as mentioned in the write-up. So we can you know, zip this file, compress this into a zip, and then decompresses it with tar. So when it decompresses, it uses the permissions of the current user. So that's why we'll be able to read it. So let's see what command is there to compress it. So we use that. Can I paste it? Sorry. Copy. Paste. So we're saving it. I'll just explain it here. We're saving, compressing and saving it in password.tar. Removing leading. Okay. So do we have a ls? Yeah, we got a password.tar. Now we'll decompress it. So this is how we decompress it. Hello. Okay. /tar xvf password.tar, and here we have the var folder, basically cd var ls cd backup ls, I'm sorry, ls -a. Okay, the old passback, and this is the password. I'm assuming it's for the root user. Copy. Let's try here. Root, sign in. Okay, root works here. Nice. And again, we open up the console. Who am I? Who am I? Root id root ls. We have the root.txt, and there we can just read the flag, and that's it. That's the complete walkthrough for our breakout machine. You can check it out here at ctfs.pachirao.dev, and let me know. Please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know if you want any changes or if you have any feedback for this write-up. See you again in the next write-up. Bye-bye.